Hello kids, today we are learning sounds of animals. Let us start. Kids, identify the sound and name the sound of this animal. Very good. This is dog's sound. And the sound of dog is called bark. Yes, repeat it. B-A-R-K-S, barks. So, a dog barks. A dog barks. Identify the sound. Very good. This is the sound of a cat. And the sound of a cat is mews. This is mews. M-E-W-S. Mews. Now identify this one. Very good. This is duck sound. And a duck quacks. So, the sound of a duck is quack. Q-U-A-C-K-S. Repeat it. Quacks. Duck quacks. Now identify this sound. Very good. This is frog's sound. And this sound is called croaks. This is croak. Frog, croaks. Repeat it. C-R-O-A-K-S. Croaks. Frog, croaks. Now identify this sound. Very good. This is the sound of a monkey. And monkey whoops. Monkey whoops. Repeat after me. W-H-O-O-P-S. Whoops. Monkey whoops. And identify the last sound. Yes, this is B sound, and B sound is called buzz. Repeat after me. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. So, B sound is buzz.